Good morning everyone. This is Vidhinesh from Seth Vidya Mandir English High School, Standard 4th Maths teacher. Today we are continuing with chapter number 11, Measures of Time, exercise number 11D, and starting with the new question. Question number 3, find the interval between. Interval means time. So we have to find out the time between these both the timings. Okay, now one is given in 7:30 a.m. One is given in p.m. 7:40 p.m. So how do we find out the interval between them? So children, a.m. and p.m. together we cannot find the interval. So what is the first thing we do? Change p.m. We have to change the p.m. because we always convert p.m. into 24 hours of clock, right? So change p.m. to 24 hours of clock by add 12. Okay, this is the point which you have to remember. I taught you before also how do we convert p.m. into 24 hours of clock by adding 12. Okay, now 7:40 p.m. is given. So p.m. we have to convert. I'm showing you over here 7:40. Okay, so how do we convert p.m. it is given. So how do we convert into a 24 hours of clock? After 12 noon, when 1 p.m. starts, we say 13. Then 2 p.m. we say 14. 3 p.m. we say 15. 6 p.m. we say 16. 7 p.m. we say 17 in this way. So by adding 12, we will change into 24 hours of clock. 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 0 is 4. 7 plus 2 is 9. 1 will come as it is. So this we have converted into a 24 hours of clock. So 19, then here it is 40. That means 19 hours and 40 minutes. Okay, now we have this we have converted into 24 hours of clock, and am it comes in a, we don't change am into 24 hours of clock. Fine, so we have 7:30. Now we have to find out the interval between. How do we find? While doing subtraction, right? 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 3 is 1. 9 minus 7 is 2. And 1 will come as it is. Fine. So what is the answer? 12 hours and 10 minutes. Clear everyone? Okay. Now come to the B part. Now what is the first step we have to remember? That we always convert PM into 24 hours of clock, right? So how do we do? By adding 12. So 11:05 p.m. is given. So I taught you change PM to 24 hours of clock by adding 12. So I am adding 12 in it. Okay. 5 plus 0 is 5. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 2 is 3. And 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay. So 23 hours and 5 minutes. I'm writing over here hours and minutes. Now in this we will subtract 11:30 a.m. So 11 instead of 11:30, how do we do? 11 hours 30 minutes. Okay, 11:30. Subtract them. Now everyone, can you see here 5 minutes? From 5 minutes can we subtract 30 minutes? No. So what do? This 5 minutes will borrow. We will borrow 1 from here. So I am borrowing 1 from here. So how do we borrow? It will become 22. So instead of writing 1 here, what do we write here? It is hour. So 1 hour we have borrowed. So when this 1 hour will go over here, what it will become? We will convert it into minute. 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. So plus 60. So what will be the total? 60. 5 plus 60 is 65. Fine. Now, from this 65, we will subtract 30. 5 minus 0 is 5. 6 minus 3 is 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. And 2 minus 1 is 1. From this, we have subtracted. Clear? So, what is the answer? 11 hours and 35 minutes. 11 hours and 35 minutes. Clear? Now, come to the next question. C part. Now, children, what I always say that PM we convert. Okay, but it is given 12 PM. Up 12, 5 PM means we are talking about afternoon 12. Fine. So, when afternoon 1 o'clock starts, then we write it as 13. Then only we can convert into 24 hours of clock, right? So 1 PM is 13, 2 PM is 14, right? So it is 12 only it is given. So we will not convert. We will write it as it is 12:05. 12:05 hours and minutes. And from this we will subtract 5:25. 5:25. Fine, children. Now, from 5 minutes, can we subtract 25 minutes? No. So, what do? We will borrow 1 from here, but it is hour. So, I have borrowed 1 hour from here. It has become 11 hour. And 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. So, instead of writing 1 hour over here, I am writing 60 minutes. Okay, so 5 plus 60 is 65. Clear, everyone? Okay. Now, from this 65, we will subtract 25. 5 minus 5 is 0. 6 minus 2 is 4. Now, direct also we can do 11 minus 5. From 11 hours, if we will subtract 5, what do we get? 6 hours? Fine. Or otherwise 0 and 11. 11 minus 5 is 6 and this is 0. So, answer is 6 hours and 40 minutes. Clear? Now, D1, 9:25 AM and 3:20 PM. So, first of all, we will convert this 3:20 PM into 24 hours of clock. So, by adding 12. 0, 2, 3 plus 2 is 5 and 1 will come as it is. So 15:20. Okay, so I'm writing 15:20 in this hours and minutes. Now in this we will subtract 9:25. No need to write AM PM because we are doing 24 hours of clock. Subtraction sign, sorry. Subtraction sign, not addition, subtraction sign. Okay. Now from 20 minutes, can we subtract 25 minutes? No. So what do? We will borrow. So here it is R. I have borrowed 1 hour from here. So this will become 14. And 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. So plus 60. Fine. So 20 plus 60 is 80. Am I clear? Okay. Now from this 80, we will subtract 25. Okay, 0 minus 5 we cannot do, so borrow. This will become 7 and it has become 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 7 minus 2 is 5. Now from 14 can we subtract 9? 14 hours. 14 hours subtract 9 hours. So how do we get the answer? We will get 5 hours, or you can do direct in this way also. 0 and this is 14. 14 minus 9 is 5 and 0 will come as it is. So the answer is 5 hours and 55 minutes. Hope it is clear to all, everyone. Thank you, children.